Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch your YouTube downloaded videos on a TV, even though the YouTube app normally doesn't let you cast offline content. Here are the methods that actually work. Method 1. Play the downloaded video from your phone using screen mirroring. Open your phone's gallery where the downloaded video is stored. Swipe down and tap Screen Mirror, Cast, or AirPlay depending on your device. Select your TV from the list, and your phone screen will appear on the TV. Play your downloaded video and enjoy it on the big screen. Method 2. Use an HDMI cable to connect your phone or laptop. If you have a phone, use a USB-C to HDMI or Lightning to HDMI adapter. Plug your device into the TV's HDMI port, then switch the TV input. Your screen mirrors instantly. Just open your downloaded YouTube video and hit play. If you're using a laptop, just connect directly with HDMI the same way. Method 3. Transfer the file to a USB drive. Move your downloaded YouTube video from your phone or a laptop to a USB drive. Plug the USB into your TV's USB port. Open the TV's media player and select your video to play it directly. Method 4. Use a streaming device with local playback apps. On a Fire Stick, Roku, or Google TV, install a local media player app such as VLC. Transfer your downloaded video to your device or stream it from your phone using local sharing apps. Open the playback app and select the video. Method 5. Use a laptop wirelessly with screen sharing. On Windows, click Project, connect to a wireless display. On Mac, use AirPlay to the TV. Once mirrored, open your downloaded video and watch it full screen. And that's it. Now you know all the reliable ways to watch your YouTube downloaded videos on any TV. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips.